see here in fifth question what he has written. If a is equal to minus 1 1, find a cross a cross a. Triplet he is asking. Triplet means I said operation you have to take. One operation means two coordinates will come. Two operations means three coordinates will come. Here like that you have to take. First you write like this. A cross A is equal to minus 1 comma 1 cross minus 1 comma 1 cross minus 1 comma 1. First you have to make like this, otherwise you are not able to do the solution. Okay, first minus 1 I am taking, minus 1 then minus 1. Okay, close. See, all these commas inside and outside also you have to make. Then again minus 1 then this time 1 comma, then again minus 1 but not minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 two times over. Then minus 1 1 minus 1 1 then minus 1 again minus 1 1, this time not minus 1 1. Okay, 4 over. You see 2 into 2 into 2 8 have to come. With minus 1 4 over. 1 2 3 4. Then you have to come to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 1 comma 1, this time 1 minus 1 comma 1 1 1. Close. This is answer. Okay, rather than minus 1 1 he would have given 2 or whatever it may be. See, this is the answer. If you compare even elements also, you see order is not matching. All minus 1s, all 1s. First 2 minus 1, then last 2 minus 1. First and last minus 1, first and last plus. Okay, first minus 1, last minus 1. Like that these are going to be matched, but both each element is not matching with each other. Okay, this is the speciality in Cartesian product or relations, but it is not sets. Sets, I think these are some elements are equivalent. Why? Because minus 1 or something like, even if you write that this all, they are going to say minus 1 1, but see these two and even these three elements are in sets, these are equivalent, but here not equivalent. That concept you have to learn from relation and function. Okay, let us go for sixth problem also. Okay, see the sixth question. A cross B is equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y he has given. But you see here reverse he is going. He has given product, Cartesian products of set elements, and he is asking us to find sets. Okay, from product to set we have to extract. How we have to extract? Why? Because fundamentals are basic. We know that for A cross B 1 2 3 4 are coming. A cross B is equal to 4 pairs, as I can say elements. Why? Because for A cross B elements, pairs are elements. Okay, that means A must be 2 elements, B must be 2 elements. Then only it is possible, na? See, for coming 4, either 1 into 4 or 2 into 2. A must be 2 or 1, B must be 2 or 1. If that is 4 also. Why? Because if A is 1, 4 will come. But here you see, in X position all A will come. We know very well. X position A, X position A, X position B. That means X coordinate A and B are there. In X belongs to A, B. Then we go for Y. Y belongs to X, Y. X, Y. x, y. That means A must be x position, A comma B. B must be y position, x comma y. That means this is the answer. He is asking us to find A and B. A is equal to AB, B is equal to XY. This is answer for your sixth question. Okay? Why? Because see, if you give A and B, you can make A cross B. See, you make A cross B with this, same will come. AX, AY, AX, AY, BX, BY, BX, BY. That's all. Okay? See, number of elements are less or product is less. That is why you are able to find. If more means you have to put a concentration, or else you are going to do mistake. We go for seventh. Okay. See, the seventh question. Let A is equal to 1, 2 or set. B is having 1, 2, 3, 4 as elements. Set B. Set C is having 5, 6 as elements. And set D is having 5, 6, 7, 8 as elements. Okay. Verify first part. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Second part, A cross C is a subset of BD, B cross D. These two we have to verify. Let us do one by one. First one I am taking, number 1. A cross B intersection C, LHS also you have to take, RHS also you have to take. If both are matches, then it is true. Okay. Now you take LHS. For LHS is A cross B intersection C. Okay. You put comma, B intersection C is equal to B intersection C. What is going to become? B and C both should match. But is there anything is there? Less number you compare. 5 is there, not there. 6 is there, not there. Then empty set. That's all. If it is empty set, automatically A cross B intersection C is going to become empty. Rather than writing direct, you write like this. Is equal to A cross 5. That is equal to 5. Okay. LHS final result is 5. Now we go for RHS. A cross B. Okay. This we do. 1, 1. Okay. Comma 1, 2. Okay. Comma 1, 3. Okay. Comma 1, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Like this even 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. This is A cross B. We have to do A cross C also. A cross C is equal to, okay, C. C is lesser, less number of this thing will come. Okay. 1, 5. 1, 6. 2, 5. 2, 6. This is A cross C. See, for making intersection, what common pairs or elements? See, here pairs are elements only. Okay. 1, 5 is a pair, but for A cross C it is an element. Why? Because under braces comes means it will treat it as even A cross C is a set. But differently A is set and C is set. Here A cross C is a set. Okay, like this. Like this you have to understand the concept. Okay. For making intersection, common elements or common pairs we have to see. With less number only we proceed. Why? Because 1, 5 is there, not there. 1, 6 is there, not there. 2, 5 is there, not there. 2, 6 is there, not there. Then what we can write? A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to 5. That is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now LHS has come 5. RHS also come 5. That is why this is verified. Verified. That means verified and true. We can write verified and found true. Like that you can write in examination. We go for second part also. I am going to rub this one. Okay. See, this is notes. Why? Because see, you need not go for another notes and all. What my suggestion, you follow NCERT book only. With NCERT book itself you are going to get good marks. Even for IIT JEE also I am going to start in next year. Basic will be from NCERT only, even IIT JEE questions will come. Okay, you pause video and write down. This is going to become notes, that's all. You need not worry. Okay, I am going to rub this and we will take this second part also. Second part, what is asking us? Let me see. What is asking? A cross C is subset of B cross D. That means C, A cross C should have less elements and all elements in A cross C available in B cross D is asking. Let me do first B cross D, then I do A cross C. Okay? Okay. B cross D is equal to, okay, B, what is there? 1, comma, D, 5, comma, 1, comma, 6, comma, 1, comma, 7, comma, 1, comma, 8. With 1, all 5, 6, 7, 8 you have to finish. Okay, comma. Then with 2 also same thing you have to do. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, comma, 2, 8. After 2, you finish with 3. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. Okay. After 3 with 4. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Close the braces. Okay, now you count. 4 into 4, 16 have to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 have come. Okay. Now you go for A cross D. A cross C. Sorry, A cross C. A cross C is equal to. Okay. Okay. A 1. 1 and 5. 1 comma 5. Okay. Then 1 comma 6. Then 2 comma 5. Then 2 comma 6. Close. Why? Because see, 2 into 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see if A cross C is subset to B cross D or not. To know lesser elements, compare higher elements. Lesser elements is this one. 1 5 is there, yes there. 1 6 is there, yes there. 2 5 is there, yes there. 2 6 is there, yes there. Then subset only, that's all. This is a concept I have told you very clearly. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Found true. That's all. Verify, you are asking, verify, found true, that's all. LHS is equal to RHS, whatever you want to write, you write. Why? Because I need not tell all these things. You come to 11th class. Okay? With this, we have completed 7th question. We go for 8th question. Okay? Students, please see the next question. 8th question. Okay? Let A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. Write A and B. So A cross B. Okay. How many subsets will A cross B have? Okay. List them. See here, 90% of the students are going to do mistake with list them. Why? Because this is not an ordinary subsets. It is a Cartesian products subsets. Lengthy items are there. Okay. Let us do in better way also. I am going to tell you how to write and all in examination if this question comes. Okay. Let us see first one by one. What they have asked. A is equal to 1, 2. Okay, this is A is a set having 1, 2 as elements. Okay, B set having 3, 4 as elements. Write A cross B. This is very easy. First, let us finish that one. A cross B is equal to 1, 3, comma, 1, 4, comma, 2, 3, comma, 2, 4. Okay. Now A cross B over. 2 into 2, 4 elements have to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements have come. A cross B finished. Right, A cross B over. How many subset will be A cross B have? See, subsets of A cross B is asking. That means A cross B is, you have to consider as a set or superset. Subsets means elements 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already told p power a is having 2 power n subsets in sets. Okay, 2 power n. If you 1, 2, 3, 4 elements comes means 2 power 4, that is equal to 16 elements will come. Okay, then you have to write same here also. N of a cross b is equal to 4. Number of subsets is equal to 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. This finishes the answer up to here. List them, that is the main criteria. Here you cannot list 16 subsets. See, empty set, full set, 3 set, 3 set, 3 set, then 2 set, 2 set, 2 set, 2 set, 2 set, single set, like that you have to list total 16. Okay. Before going to original problem, how we have to list out 16 subsets? Let us see with ABCD. First we see with ABCD, then we go for this one. Okay. Now whatever I am doing is rough work only. Again I am going to rub it. Okay. See how I am writing. See, let us take A is equal to, I say A, B, C, D only. A, B, C, D. Consider A cross B or whatever it may be. See, A cross B also one set, A also one set. Or else you take this as P. Okay, P is equal to A, B, C, D. Now I am writing this all sets, subsets. Okay. First to open the brace, then first empty set you take, empty set. Then you take full set. A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. See, sets, my classes, if you have not watched, you are not able to understand this. That is why first you watch sets. Okay. All I have explained how to take subsets and all. Empty set, full set. Then you go for 3 sets. Why? Because after empty, total 4 sets we have taken. Full set means 4 set, only 1 it comes. It cannot have more than 1. 3 sets. Now we take 3 sets. 3 sets have A, B, C. Let us take A, B, C, comma. Then A, B, D. Let us take A, B, D, comma. Then A, C, D also there. A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D. A, C, D. Okay. Then B, C, D also one set is there. B, C, D. Then anything else for 3 sets? A, B, C, A, C, D, A, B, D, B, C, D. Okay, over. Then we go for 2 sets. Two elements, A, B, comma, A, C, comma, A, D. Okay, A with B, A with C, A with D, over, A over. Now you come for B, B, C, comma, B, D, comma, with B also over, I hope. B, A, B already over. Yeah, A, B already over. Okay, that is why A, B, C, D only will come. C, D. C, D. I think 2 sets also over. Now we go for single sets. A, B, C, D. Total 16 have to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. This is the list. This is the list for P is equal to A, B, C, D. Now here A cross B is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is one element. This is one element. This is one element. This is one element. Like this you have to write. If you are not able to write, then you write it in rough work, rough page in examination, rough page. By seeing this you can write. Why? Because here A means 1, 3, B means 1, 4, C means 2, 3, D means 2, 4. All you have to repeat like this only. Okay. Now I am going to write how. You see. I am going to rub this now. You understand the concept with 4 sets. Why? Because empty set, full set will come anyhow. Then remaining sets like this we have to write. Okay, let me rub and write original set. This is not original set. For your understanding sake, I have written. Okay, see how I am writing. P of A cross B. Why? Because you see all subsets we are writing means it is power set only. Brace. First pi I take. Then full set I take. Say 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 2 3 comma 2 4. This is full set under braces. All subsets with braces only you have to take. 5 only, braces will not come. If you want to give brace, empty braces you have to keep rather than 5. You know very well. That is why I asked you to watch my sets chapter also. Okay. Empty set, full set over. Now we take 3 sets. 3 sets. That means say 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 2 3. Okay. Close parenthesis and braces also, and you make one comma also. Or else I do one thing. I think we take single sets. 1 3 1 4. Okay, 1 3 1 4. Then I take here 2 3 2 4. Now single sets are over. Empty set, full set, single set. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now we go 2 sets. Why? Because we have made reversed. 2 sets. 2 sets means 1 3 comma 1 4. Okay, 2 elements. 1 3 comma 1 2 3. 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 3. 1 3 2 4 is there still. 1 3 comma 2 4. Okay, 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 4. Okay, 1 3 over. Now we go for 1 4. 1 4 comma 2 3. Close. 1 4 2 3. 1 4 2 4 also. 1 4 comma 2 4. 1 4 over. Why? Because 1 3 1 4 already came. 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 4 over. Okay, now 2 3 2 4. 2 3 2 4. Okay. 2 4 all have come combinations. Okay, now this 2 sets also over. Now we go for 3 sets. 3 element sets. 3 elements means you take 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 2 3 first. Close. Okay, 1 2 3. Then 1 3 1 4 2 4. 1 3 1 4 2 4 comma 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 3 1 4 2 4. Then 1 3 2 3 2 4 also there. 1 3 2 3 2 4. This is also there. 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 3 2 1 4 2 4 1 3 2 3 2 4. Okay, this also over. Now 1 4 2 3 2 4. 1 4 comma 2 3 comma 2 4. I hope we have finished. Let me see. If finished means then again one brace we have to keep. Let me count first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Yeah, finished. Another brace. Why? Because all power sets will be under braces only. This is the answer for your question. If you do any mistake, any comma also have not put, any parenthesis wrong you have put, then your marks are going to be deducted. This is answer for question number 8. pause the video and note it down. Okay, then we go for ninth question. Okay, see the ninth question, what he has written and all. Let us understand first. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A, but that means number of elements in set A are 3. N of A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. That means number of elements in B set E are 2. If x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B, that means product if you make with A and B. Why? Because n of A means one set is there A. In that set, 3 elements are there. That means A set is there. B having 2 elements. If you make product, automatically how many will come? Elements will come. 2, 3 into 2, 6 elements are going to come. Among 6 elements, he has given 3 elements. You see, this is element only. Product also element only. This is after cross product elements only. X1, Y2, Z1. 3 already he has given. Among 6 are in A cross B. Okay, these 3 are in A cross B. Find A and B, where x, y, z are distinct elements. Okay, whatever it may be x, y, z, even by seeing this we can find A and B set. How we are going to find, you see. Okay. Let A have 3 elements as say A, B, C. Full stop. Assume A is equal to A, B, C. Like this you write first. Okay. Let A have 3 elements. He only told 3 elements A, B, C. Those elements who have taken A, B, C, we don't know what are those. Also, B have 2 elements. As now you take these as PQ. Okay, PQ. Assume B is equal to P comma Q. Okay. Then now we come to cross product. Then cross product of A cross B is equal to, then you make A comma B comma C cross P comma Q. This is going to result A comma P comma A comma Q comma B comma P comma B comma Q comma C comma P comma C comma Q close. Why? Because see, 3 elements are there, 3 elements are there, 2 elements are there, 2 elements are there. Cross product 6 elements will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, these are pairs, but you can call it as elements also. Actually, these are pairs. These are pairs, but you can call these pairs as elements in cross product. Cross product elements. Okay? Okay. Now, what are all he has given? X comma 1, Y comma 2, Z comma 3 are given. Given elements of A cross B as X comma 1 comma Y comma 2 comma Z comma 1. Okay. Let A is equal to X. Okay. B is equal to Y. C is equal to Z. Why? Because see, elements from A will come in X coordinates. X coordinates. See, X coordinate, X coordinate, X coordinate. Elements from B will come in Y coordinate. Y coordinate, Y coordinate, Y coordinate, Y coordinate, Y coordinate. Y coordinate, Y coordinate, Y coordinate. Okay? And P is equal to say 1 comma Q is equal to 2. Why? Because see, how these have to match? For A, we have to match 3. X, Y, Z. For B, you have to match two elements, 1 and 2. Same has repeated, 1 and 2. Okay. In this way, if you write automatically by above, you can write by above, we confirm that A is equal to x comma y comma z and B is equal to 1 comma 2. This is your answer. Okay. See, actually, I don't know for how many marks this question will come. You need not write this much of lengthy answer also. Simply also you can write by seeing above, we can say that A is having x, y, z as elements. B is having 1 and 2 are elements. Why? Because number of elements in A 3 matched, number of elements in B 2 matched. Like that also you can write. See, after making this also, if you make product, cross product, x1, y1, x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2, x1, y2 are there, z1 is also there, matched. Okay. This is your answer for 9th question. We go for 10th question. That is the last question. See the 10th question. What they have written. The Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements. Okay. 9 elements means it may be 1 into 9 or 3 into 3. Why? Because rather than this, no additional options are available. But okay, let us study first full question, then we do analysis. A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. See, among A cross A, 9 elements or 9 product. He has given 2. Remaining 7 he has not given. Find the set A. That means we have to find elements. Set A means elements we have to find and write the set. And the remaining elements of A cross A. See, 2 he has given. Remaining 7 also we have to write. Okay, how to proceed you see. First you analyze this problem. A cross A has 9 elements means 1 into 9 is equal to 9 or 3 into 3. 1 into 9 is equal to 9 or 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Rather than this, any combination is going to work? Nothing is going to work. Why? Because see, 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 2 into something don't come, 9. 3 into 3, 9 will come. 4 will not come. 5 will not come. 6 will not come. 7 will not come. 8 will not come. 9 means again it has come. 9 into 1 or 1 into 9, both are same. Okay? These two combinations may be there. But if you observe carefully, he is not doing A cross B. He is doing A cross A. That means with the same set he is doing. That means 1 and 9 is not going to give our purpose. Why? Because see, A is 1 means A 1 into 1 you have to do. A 9 means 9 into 9 you have to do. Because A into A cross A we are doing. If you take A 3 elements, then it is going to match. 3 cross 3, 9 elements are going to come. Okay. Okay. Now we can write that by above we confirm A is having 3 elements. Okay, 3 elements. We confirm. Why? Because A cross A is 9 means 3 elements we should have. And also we sign. Let us write. Why? Because write A belongs to X. Also A belongs to Y. See here, X is -1, Y is 0, X is 0, Y is 1. So A must have -1, 0, and A must have 0, 1. Must have, that's all. I have not told that only 2, 3 should have, but see, -1, 0, 1 A. See here we are doing A cross A. First A, second A, we have taken elements. Both are same, but logically we are giving answer. For X, A belongs to X, A belongs to Y. Why? Because A cross A, when we are doing A cross A belongs to X, A belongs to Y. X, Y, Cartesian. Okay? Okay. See, A must have -1, 0. A must have 0, 1. For X sake, -1, 0. Y sake, 0, 1. Then, if we observe all three elements are -1, 0, 1. Okay? Why? Because A cross A we are doing -1, 0, 1. Why? Because 0 again it has come. Okay, now it is over. Now we see, first we do A cross A all elements. Then we deduct these two elements, then the remaining elements like we write. Let A cross A is equal to, say, -1, 0, 1 cross, I will write like this, cross -1, 0, 1. Why? Because we confirmed it. -1, 0, 1 will come. Or else you write here like this, or A is equal to -1, 0, 1. Why? Because it is set form only you write. Okay, here first you write what are all comes in product. -1, -1. Well, see, this is only one cross product. Two XY elements, Cartesian elements only will come. A cross A means X, Y, Z. 3 elements will come in each pair. Okay. -1, 1, -1, -1, 0, -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, -1, 1. Okay. Now we same 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, -1, comma, 0, 0, comma, 0, 1. 0 also over. Then we do with 1. 1, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, -1, comma, 1, 0, comma, 1, 1. Close. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements matched. Now, among these 9, 2 elements are already he has given. -1, 0, 0, 1. -1, 0 he has given. 0, 1 also he has given. Now he is asking find the set. Set we have already found. The remaining elements of A cross A. That you have to write here. Remaining elements. Write remaining elements is equal to. Now you write remaining all the elements like pairs. -1, -1, comma, -1, 1. Why? Because these two you should not take again. 0, comma, -1, 0, comma, 0, 1, -1. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 1, close. Why? Because remaining 7 have to come. Why? Because 9 elements, 2 elements already given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your answer for 10th question. Okay. Now we go for concepts of 2.2 exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.